Hey everyone, this video will show you how to assign documents from the resource library to create assignments for your students. This feature lets you share documents that students can mark up, review, and submit, making it easier to give personalized feedback. We'll break this down into 3 easy steps so you can follow along without any confusion. First up, we'll start with creating the document assignment. To upload a document to the resource library, click on Resource Library in the left-hand navigation menu. Once the resource library page loads, browse through the folders panel on the left to find where you want to store your document. Let's open the biology folder by clicking on it. You can see we have already stored some YouTube contents within this subfolder. Click on the Add button to reveal the drop-down menu with upload options. Select Upload Document from the drop-down menu. The Upload Document modal will appear. Click in the File Upload area to browse and select your document. Once you've selected your file, the modal will update to show the document details and any metadata fields you can fill in. Click the Upload button to start the upload process. You'll see a progress bar showing the upload status. Once the upload completes, the modal will close and your newly uploaded document will appear in the resource library. The document has been successfully uploaded to the resource library. Let's move on to configuring and assigning the document to students. To configure and assign the document, click the Assign button on the document card. The Create Document Assignment modal opens up. Let's set a due date by clicking the calendar icon. Once you've selected your preferred due date, hit the Continue button. We're at the Requirements step, where you can configure submission settings. Check the box for Require Student Submission to enable assignment submissions. A Submission Instructions text box appears. Type in clear instructions for your students about how to complete the assignment. Click Continue to move to the next step. We're now at the Quiz step, where you can add assessment questions to your document assignment. Check the Add Quiz Questions box to explore the available question types. You'll see different question type options appear. Click the Short Answer button to add this question type. A form appears for creating the short answer question. For this demonstration, we'll remove it by clicking the Delete icon. Uncheck the Add Quiz Questions box since we're focusing on document annotation for this assignment. Click Continue to proceed to student selection. In the Students step, select which students should receive this assignment. Here we're choosing Test Student. Hit Continue to move to the final Review step. The Review step displays a complete summary of your assignment configuration, allowing you to verify all settings before finalizing. Everything looks good, so click Create Assignment to finalize and distribute the document assignment to your selected students. Let's switch to the Student view to access the new assignment. To access the new assignment, we need to switch to the student perspective, so click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Sign Out to log out of the tutor account. Once you're redirected to the sign-in page, enter the student's email address to log in as a student. Hit the Sign In button to access the student account. Wait for the student dashboard to fully load. Click the notification bell again and select the new Document Assignment notification to open the assignment. The Document Viewer page opens, displaying the PDF document that's ready for annotation. The assignment is now open and ready for your input. Let's move on to annotating and submitting the document. Student can choose to either answer using the answer sheet on the platform or annotate the question paper. The interface switches to the answer sheet view with a text editor where you can work on your responses. If you need to reference the original document, click View Question Paper in the bottom right corner. A modal window opens displaying the question paper, which you can scroll through for reference. For direct annotation on the document, click Write on Question Paper from the right side panel. The view switches to the PDF document with annotation tools available for marking directly on the paper. Use the pen tool to fill in the required information, starting with the center number. We are going to enter the candidate number in the appropriate field using the pen tools, and fill in the surname in the designated field on the document header. Complete the personal information section by entering your forename in the provided space. Navigate to the next page to continue with the assignment questions. Let's annotate some of the questions of the remaining questions. For free text responses, scroll down and write your answers directly in the provided text fields. Complete any remaining multiple-choice questions by ticking the relevant answer boxes. Review your work by scrolling back up through the document to check your answers. Once you're satisfied with your annotations, click Submit Annotated PDF to complete your assignment. The system confirms your submission with a Submission Complete screen, indicating your work has been successfully submitted. You can review your submitted work by clicking View Annotated Paper and scrolling through to verify all your annotations were captured correctly. Let's move on to grading the submitted document. To grade the submitted document, we'll need to switch to the tutor account. Click on the profile icon. Select Sign Out to log out of the student account. Sign back in as the tutor to access the tutor dashboard. The tutor dashboard is now loaded and ready to use. Click the notification bell icon and select the Annotated Paper Submitted notification to access the student's work. The document grading page opens, displaying the student's annotated document. Take some time to scroll through and review their submission. You can add your own feedback directly on the document. Select the yellow pen tool and write your grade and comments on the document itself. In the right panel, enter the numerical grade in the grade field. This creates an official record of the student's performance. Provide detailed written feedback in the written feedback field to help guide the student's future learning. Click Save Grade and Feedback to finalize and submit your evaluation. You'll see a success notification confirming everything was saved. Close the success notification to complete the grading process. We have successfully graded the submitted document. Let's move on to reviewing the grade and feedback from the student's perspective. To review the grade and feedback, let's switch to the student's perspective by logging back in as the student. The student dashboard loads, showing all available information for this account. Click the notification bell and select the Document Assignment Graded notification to see the results. The assignment page displays the graded status showing 85%, indicating the tutor has completed the grading process. Click the View Annotated Paper and Feedback button to see the detailed feedback and annotations. The graded document opens, displaying all the tutor's feedback and annotations throughout the pages, which you can scroll through to review completely. You've now seen how students can review their grades and feedback. That wraps up the entire document annotation workflow using the resource library. In the upcoming video, we will look at how to store YouTube content and assigning them to students.